So hello everyone. In the previous class, we have discussed about assignment operators. Now we will be discussing about comparison operators. So what does comparison operators do? It basically compares the values between two variables. Likewise, if I write here A is equals to some value and then B is equals to some value, then after it, if I print x is equals to no a is equals to b, so it will result as false, and make sure that it the comparison operators always results in the form of boolean values, that is either true or false. So here I am comparing a and b. So 21 is equals to 23, no, so it will result as false, like such. But when I write as 21 here also, then if I run it, so 21 is equals to 21 means it is right, so it will result as true. So this is the first operator, and don't get confused between this and this, because it's a comparison operator and it's an assignment operator. So when you want to compare two values, you use this operation, and when you want to assign some values or store some values to a variable, you use this particular symbol. Okay, so this is the first operator, that is a is equals to b. Next, there is another is not equals to, for which you press shift 1 and then equals to. So this is the symbol of not equals to, and now I will be writing as a is not equals to b. So a is not equals to b means 21 is not equals to 26, so means it is true. So if I run it, it will result as, okay, I haven't closed the parenthesis, let me close it. Now if I run it, it will show us as true. So this is the difference. And next, this is the equals to and not equals to. Next, there is less than and greater than. So A is greater than B. So A is greater than means 21 is greater than 26. No, 21 is not greater than 26 means it will result as false, like this. So next, print A is less than a is less than b. So yes, 21 is less than 26 means it is true. So these are the basic comparison operators that you have studied. But there are two more operations that are print a less than equals to b. So a 21 is less than b. 21 is equals to no. But 21 is less than b means it is right. So yes, if I run it now, it will show us the output as true. But if I change the value of here as 26, then also it will result as true, because it is equals to, then 26 is equals to b, and here we have applied both, that less than or equals to. So if any of the condition is true, so it will result as true. So 26 true. Okay, so like such means it is giving the result as such. Next, less than equals to, in the same way you can write as print greater than equals to. Print a greater than equals to b. And now if I run it, and let me change the value here as the previous one, so 21. So it will result as false, because 21 is not greater than 26. So here it is result as false. So these are the basic comparison operators. In the next class, we will be discussing about